crossroad. Which way you gonna go today? So many voices calling to you, but only you can find your way. Don't let the pressure lead you wrongly. Don't let the shortcut cloud your eyes. The road that's straight may seem the hardest, but that's the road where wisdom lies. Education is a golden ticket. Respect is currency that's real. Hard work never goes unnoticed. Patience is the way you heal. So many fell for fast and easy. So many lost before they grew. Take your time and build it steady. Success gon' come and find you too. Choose your way, choose it right. Walk in wisdom, walk in light. Every step you take today builds the man of tomorrow's day. Choose your way, make it strong. Stay on course, it won't be long. Youth of nation, hear this song. Choose your way and you belong. I know the streets got their temptation. I know the struggle feels so real. But every king was once a youngster, learning how to trust and fear. Surround yourself with those who lift you. Walk away from those who drain. Every lesson, every setback only strengthens what you gain. Mama told me, Papa showed me, elders spoke and I did hear. Son, the future that you're building starts right now, right here, right here. Choose your way, choose it right. Walk in with